Here in this video we will see about the text analytics. In this we will see how to extract the sample document and will apply the tokenization, stop words, removal, stemming, thematization, frequency distribution, all this operation in the given text. So for text analytics we can use the two libraries. First one is Mltk library, that is natural language toolkit, and second one is TextBlock, which is a second library. So before moving towards this practical, you have to install the libraries. So if you are using this library for first time, you have to write the pip install Mltk. I have already executed this code, so that's why I have taken this as a command line. And if you want to use the TextBlock library, for that you have to write pip install TextBlock. Okay, and also you have to write the conda install Mltk. Okay, and pip install TextBlock. This is how we have installed or imported the library. Now if you are taking the TextBlock as a library, for that you have to write from TextBlock import TextBlock. Okay, now I have taken one variable name, that is b is equals to TextBlock, and inside a TextBlock I have taken one sentence, that is I have good spelling. So see here, the spelling of have is written wrong, that is HAVV. So I want to correct this sentence spellings. For that you have to use the correct function. So see how to use this correct function. For that you have to write b dot correct function, this one, b dot correct. In output you get a text block in bracket I have a good spelling. See the spelling of this have. After execution of this function you will get the correct spelling. Now I have taken one another variable name, that is b1 is equals to TextBlock, and here I have taken again the another sentence, and I want to check or I want to correct the spelling of this sentence. For that once again I am using the correct function. So b1 dot correct, and inside the function or inside a b1 dot correct function, and execute this code. Okay, now I have taken one variable name as a sent, and here I have taken the three sentences. TextBlock in bracket beautiful is better than ugly, explicit is better than implicit, and third sentence is simple is better than complex. Now I want to check the word list which are present in the given sentence. For that you have to use the words, zen dot words. After execution of this code you get a word list. See the output. In word list you get every words which appear uniquely. Beautiful is better than ugly, explicit is better than implicit, simple is better than complex. That means you got all words inside these sentences. Now if you want to get the sentences, for that you have to write zen dot sentences. After execution of this code you get three sentences as it is. Now if you want to take the third word from a given sentence, see the sentence use 4 spaces as per something. Okay, this is your sentence, and you want to take the third word. Which is your third word? Per is your third word. If you want to take this word as a singular form, for that you have to write sentence dot words in bracket 3 dot singularize function, and execute this code. This is how you can convert the given word in the singular form. Now you want to convert the given word into plural form, and here indexing is given as a -1. -1 means what? I am counting the indexing from right hand side. Which is right hand side's -1 position word? That is labels. That means you want to convert this word into plural form, so it should be labels. See the output. Okay, you got the labels as in output. Now see, I have taken one sentence, that is animals is equals to TextBlock in bracket cat, dog, octopus. Now I want to check the words list of a given sentence. For that I will write animals dot words, and now I will execute this code. In word list I get cat, dog, octopus. Now I want to pluralize the given sentence. That means I have to write animals dot words dot pluralize function. So in word list you get cats, dog, and octopus. If you have not written only words. That means you want to convert all sentence in plural form. See here, in previously I have mentioned the position of the word. If you are not mentioning the position, that means you want to convert the all sentence in plural form. See the difference. Okay, now see the frequency count. So here I have taken one sentence. Monty is equals to text block. This is my love 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 sentence. We are no longer the knights who say nigh. We are now the knights who say iki iki painting. Okay, now I want to check the count of the iki word. For that I have to write Monty dot words underscore counts iki. See here, iki appear 3 times in the given sentence. So after execution of this sentence, you get a 3. Okay. Now only count method is there for counting a frequency of a method. So see how to use this. Monty dot words dot count in bracket iki. See the difference here. Underscore count is there. Here directly dot count is there. So both you can use. Okay, so by default it's not case sensitive. If you want to make this word as a case sensitive, for that you have to use the parameter that is case sensitive. Monty dot words dot count iki comma case sensitive is equals to 2. That means, so see here in the sentence iki is appear 3 times, but if you are saying that you want a case sensitive letter, that means here E is capital and here E is small, here E is small. If you want to take iki in small letters, that means here count should be 2. So after execution of this code, in output you get a 2. Now see the parsing. For parsing, parse method is used. So here I have taken one word b, I have taken one variable b is equals to text in bracket. I have passed the one sentence, and now for something completely different. Now I want to print the given sentence which is in parse form. For that I am writing the print function, and inside a print function I am writing b dot parse function. Okay, so after execution of this you will get a parsing of the words. So, and now for then something after that completely and different. So these are the parsing is done. Now then is equals to, suppose you want to do the slicing of a given sentence. For performing slicing operation you have to write then in bracket 0 to 19. That means you want the words which are present in between index count of 0 to 19, and then write this word text block beautiful is better. So after execution of this code, then you will get beautiful is better. Now you want to convert this sentence into upper letter. For that upper function is used. So then dot upper. So see, this is your sentence in upper form. Now you want to find the position of a given word from a given sentence. For that you have to use the find function. So then dot find in bracket simple is written. That means you want to find the position of simple word. After execution 65 is there. That means on 65th position simple word is there. Now see, apple underscore block is equals to text block apples. Second, banana underscore block is equals to text block bananas. See, the length of apples is 6 and length of bananas 7. So we have to check apple underscore block is less than banana underscore block. That means 6 is less than 7, which is true. So after execution of this code you get a true in the output. Now see how to do tokenization in Mltk library. For that you have to import the library, import Mltk, from Mltk import tokenize. Firstly we are tokenizing the sentences. For that you have to write from Nltk.tokenize import sentence tokenize. So here text is there. Good day everyone, how are you all today? It's fun learning data analysis. Hope you all are practicing well. Then I am performing this tokenize operation. So in output you get this. Okay, now again I am writing tokenized text is equals to send tokenized text, and I am printing this tokenized text. So in output you get these sentences. Now you want to perform the word tokenization. So for performing word tokenization, you have to import the library, that is from Mltk.tokenize, import word tokenization, and word tokenize word is equals to word underscore tokenized text, and print the word tokenized word. So every word is tokenized, that means good, every word is separated by comma. Okay, now after that we'll see the frequency distribution. That means what? See, frequency distribution means what? How many times your good is appear in the given sentence, how many times are is appear in the given sentence, how many times how is appear. This is how we can say this is a frequency distribution. For that you have to write the from Mltk.probability import freq_dist, then f_dist is equals to freq_dist, tokenize the word, and we have to print the f_dist. So in output you get a 19 samples and 23 as outcome. So suppose you want to write the 3 sentence or 4 sets of common words and their respective words with their respective frequency. For that you have to write f_dist dot most underscore common in bracket 4, that means 4 most common words with their frequency. If you have written 3 here, that means 3 sets of common word with their frequency. Suppose I am writing 4, and after execution you can say r is appear twice, u is appear twice, all is appear twice, and dot is appear twice. So these are the most common 4 sets of common words with their frequency. Now I want to plot a graph for this frequency. For that, for plotting a graph, suppose I am using a matplotlib library, so I have to import this library. Import matplotlib.pyplot. That means I want to take the pyplot model from the matplotlib library as plt. Plt is a variable name. You can take any variable name. f_dist.plot in bracket 30 comma cumulative is equals to false. Then for displaying the graph you have to use the show function, plt.show function. Now see here, all, you, all, are, you, all, and dot, these are appear twice. So here is 2. Okay, and all the remaining words are appearing once, so it is displaying on straight, and this is the graph. Now how to check the stop words? For checking the stop words you have to write Mltk.download stop words from Mltk.corpus import stop words from stop words is equals to set stop words English, then print this list. So in bracket write the stop words. After execution of this code you will get the list of stop words. Okay, now see the second code. Here in this code I will show you how to do stemming and lemmatization of a word. For doing stemming and lemmatization, stemming means what? To reduce a word to its root. Okay, for that you have to write from Mltk.stem import porter stemmer, from Mltk.tokenize import sent underscore tokenize comma word underscore tokenize ps is equals to porter stemmer function, then stem words for w in filter sentence colon stem underscore words dot append ps dot stem print filter sentence, and then in again print function you have to write the stem words. Suppose for example here filter sentence is what? Good day everyone dot fun learning data analysis, hope practicing well dot. Okay so we are doing the stem words for here learning. What is the root of learning? Root of learning is learn. So after stemming you get a word to its root, so root is learn. So after stem in sentence you get a learn. That means if funning it was there, instead of funning, fun is displayed in stem words, because stem means what? It is reducing word to its root. Okay, now sometimes reducing to root or its root, that may spelling check may occur. Because of that you have to use the lemmatization to reduce the base word better to good. So for that you have to write Mltk.download wordnet and this is the code for lemmatization. Okay, suppose in a given sentence flying was there, and after performing steaming operation onto flying, its root is what? FLI is you got after steaming, but its actual spelling is what? FLY. So after performing lemmatization, you will get FLY. So after performing operation, that is steaming operation on flying word, you got a stem word as FLI, but after lemmatization you got a FLY. So this is how we have steaming and lemmatization is done. Now see the POS tagging, that is parts of speech to identify the grammatical group of word. So one sentence is given and tokens we have to find. So here word tokenization, we are performing operation on this sentence. After performing word tokenization, every word is separated by comma. Now use the pos tag. How to apply the pos tag? For that you have to write nltk.download average perceptron tagger nltk.pos _ tag then tokens. So this is how we have performed the pos tagging. Okay, so we'll stop here.